Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through step-by-step process on how to edit shapes in Google Slides. First, go to Google Slides on your web browser. Now, open any presentation in which you want to do editing. Then, you'll see the Insert tab at the top. Click on it and it'll show you more different options. Now, click on Shapes and select any shape you want. Here, adjust it anywhere and you can increase or decrease its size. After that, click on the three dots at the top right corner and select the format options. On the right side, it'll show you different options. In size and rotation, you can adjust its width and height and rotate it any angle. Next, the position option will allow you to change its positions. Alternatively, you'll get indentation and padding options in text fitting. In Drop Show, you can change the color, opacity, angle, distance, and blur radius. Then you can get opacity, distance, and size options in reflections. Lastly, you'll get alt text option that will allow you to write any descriptions. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.